Hello, grade threes. I decided to do this video face-to-face, so to speak, just so you didn't forget that I had a face, since a lot of my videos lately have been on the computer. So here are the homework questions I assigned you yesterday. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. 32 divided by 8 is 4, and 50 divided by 5 is 10. So those are the answers to your homework questions. I hope you did well on that. If you had some trouble, that's why we're going to work together today to practice what I've been teaching you. So I keep talking about using things you found around the house to do your math, and so today I'm actually going to show it to you. So what I did was I raided my pantry and found some Cheerios. And we're going to use these Cheerios to answer division questions today. Our first question is 16 divided by 2. So I've got 16 Cheerios here, which I counted ahead of time just to make this a little quicker. Now it says to divide by 2, and all that means is we're making little groups of 2. So let's do that now. 2 here, 2 here. If I put them like this, they look like tiny little sets of eyes. That's kind of fun. There you go. Take a look at all the little glasses. Okay, there we go. They're all waving to you. Hi. All right, so now the answer to a division question is not how many Cheerios, but how many groups you've made. So we're going to count the groups we've made, or little pairs of eyes, and we're going to see exactly what the answer is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer to 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Let's put these aside for later. I won't waste them. My baby can have them for her snack because she loves them. All right, let's try 27 divided by 3. Again, I counted these out ahead of time. It's 27. We don't need to count them. So 27 divided by 3. So once again, this just means we're making little groups of 3. So this will be more like the eyes on those aliens I drew in that one video way back when. All right, so little groups of 3. Put them together like strange little eyes on little aliens. There we go. Okay, so you can see they're in little groups of 3. Now remember, the answer to these questions is how many groups we made. So we have 1 group here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 9 groups, which means 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. All right, one more question to do as an example before I give you today's homework. Now this one I'm going to write for you as we go so that you can see how you make a question as well. Now in this little container here, I have 36. I'm writing upside down. I had to make sure I didn't do it backwards. Now when you're writing a division sign, it looks like a minus sign with a little dot below and a little dot above. That's all. So we're doing 36 divided by 6 this time. Okay, so here's our 36 Cheerios, and we need to put them in little groups of 6. So it's going to look a bit like when you're playing with the dice and you see the little dots on there and they make 6. Use that to help you remember how that should look. Then you won't even have to count them each time. By the way, knowing how much something is without even counting it is called subitizing, if you want a big word of the day. There we go. Almost there. Okay, I have made my groups of 6. I think you can see that they're all equal, not quite as neat maybe as they could be. And now to find the answer to our division question, we need to know how many groups. So let's take a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. All right. So I'm going to give you your homework for today. If you are having trouble figuring this out, just do what I did. Find some small objects like this. They don't even all have to be the same object. As long as you find enough small objects that you can move them into groups and count it out, that's fine. Cheerios worked for me today. You'll have to let me know what you use. Here is your homework. So pause the video and write that down if you're working with me, and give it a try and let me know how it goes, and I will see you tomorrow.